Déjenos con un acompañante que no se vaya a ver la espalda.
All right, Tigris.
Platform clear, dispatch.
Congratulations on your decision to take on Tigris, Florida's tallest launch coaster. Tigris is fierce. Ride.
Ooh, airtime. Perfect stop.
Congratulations, you have conquered Tigris. Exiting guests, please unbuckle and lift up when your comfort collar and lap bar. Exit carefully to your right and watch your step.
How do I do this?
Thank you for riding Tigris and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch.
Hold on to the lap bar, face forward, and keep your back against the seat and headrest. Boarding guests, step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you.